Good morning, adventurers. We are here at Disney's Animal Kingdom, and we are getting in line for Flight of Passage in Pandora. Awesome. Join the adventure. I love this. Oh, we're right under it. This place is like out of this world. Okay, a little quick trivia. What solar system, thanks, what solar system does Pandora exist in? What solar system? So me and Tony were just talking. We've never actually been in the queue of Flight of Passage because we always have fast passes. And you kind of go in you skip the whole line and you skip all the theming and presentation. So at least we're gonna wind through the various caves and waterfalls and whatever else is in here. I don't know. The caves of Pandora. And then we're entering the actual military base research facility. Very cool. This is awesome. I love how you hear them, but you don't have to see them. Man, they're huge.
That's kind of creepy.
Just can't beat this thing. Now I'm in undergroundness. It's so cool.
The next room, the center went down for me, okay?
Okay, thank you. Here's our glasses. So in case you've been living under a floating rock, basically this is you're riding on the back of a banshee from the movie Avatar. So it's 3D. Well, it's actually 4D because there's smells and you get wet sometimes. But you're flying.
Can everyone see me?
On this thing. It's amazing.
Soon, you're going to have a chance to undertake an amazing Navi rite of passage, flying on the back of this powerful animal called an Ikran, or as we call it, a banshee, blending human DNA and Navi DNA. Once we match you to an avatar, thanks to a special link chair, your mind will be able to control that avatar.
Welcome, everyone. I'm Dr. Jackie Ogden from the Pandora Conservation Initiative, an incredibly important rite of passage they call Ikni Maya. We can now bring this amazing experience to you.
And of course, the gift shop. Even on Pandora. If you want a baby avatar. I like the floating rock coffee mug. Oh, look at Tony, these glow in the dark. I like that. Oh, you might summon a banshee. So we're gonna head over to Africa, I think, and try to do Kilimanjaro Safaris. Yes, go see the animals. Sivako, rise to the challenge. I don't know what they're called, but they remind me of like glowing eggplant. Those things. They're like blue eggplant. We crossed the bridge back over to Earth from Pandora. This is the Nomad Lounge, but here is Tiffin's, and we ate here last year. And it's like flavors of Africa, and it was really awesome. So if you guys come here, you might want to check out Tiffin's. All the menus are available on the app.
They are very, very good at navigating through and hiding in the underbrush. They're actually so good at that, they're known as the ghosts of the forest. Wear on their bodies. Some of them have them on their legs, others have it on their backs. But those stripes are going to mimic the look of the sun filtering through the trees and the brush, so that when they're hiding is above water. And that is the simplest way to tell that they were made for living in the water. All those white birds on that center island there are pink. They're 16 feet long. That is as long as a giraffe is tall. And they are ectothermic, which means that they are not able to sweat in the same way that we are. So instead they're going to open yards. Please make sure we are remaining seated at all times, guys. Sit down, please, sir. Thank you. They have that honor because when it comes to a fight or flight situation, they are all fight. And we here on the reserve like to fight for conservation. As long as they will be when they are fully grown, and they can walk and run within just a couple moments of birth, which of course is super important. Walk and run within just a couple moments of birth, which of course is super important. But what's really interesting is that they have the same amount of vertebrae in their necks that we have in ours. That's a whopping 7. And they've got some very... If they need a bit more of an immediate response, elephants will use a very loud trumpeting. Oh, and it looks like there is a group of greater flamingos. That's because brine shrimp contains beta-carotene, and that beta-carotene will give them that beautiful pink color inside. And you'll see that they are using their trunks as a way to pick up their hay. They're going to shake that hay off a little bit to try and look like a really big teapot. And so they use a very loud trumpeting noise. Great feathers. If they were darker gray, we would infer that she was a male. It also looks like there are some white rhino walking around too wide in reference to their wide and flat upper lip, which is exactly why, as you can tell, they like to graze. They get most endangered and they need your help. The best thing and the easiest way to start helping is by recycling their food.
Kilimanjaro Safari was wonderful. I saw rhinos and giraffes. I couldn't get everything on video, but Tony recorded a lot on his side of the truck. So anyway, onward. Starbucks. So decided to get some vanilla sweet cream cold brews, double sweet cream, and some lemon pound cake for a little treat. This is like the most themed Starbucks I've ever been in. Very African, very cool, very cool. Well, what do we have here?
You look so adorable. Of course. You don't even need
What are you guys doing, huh? What are you doing?
Hello, explorers.
Donald waved at me.
Daisy waved at me.
There's more of the trails that go around the Tree of Life. Hello. It's a rabbit. Komodo. Love banana palms. Yeah, Island hits. Oh, look at pretty waterfall. Let's go check out Asia. So we're gonna do the Maharaja Jungle Trek. Hello. The bamboo in here is like 50 feet tall. Crazy. I was gonna try to get us the Komodo dragon, and as I got ready, she decided to take a little trip. I'm thinking she makes like rounds. So she might come down this way. Let's give it. And there she is. We got a little bit of the tiger, but she kept moving this way, so we're gonna see if we can see her from down here.
Oh my gosh.
I love the theming in this. It's like the old ruins where the tigers would hide and live and hunt. Now we're inside the bird aviary. Birds of Asia. Hello. I don't know. Oh. They're very pretty. Love the color. The gray and maroon. Time for lunch. Rainforest Cafe. Hello. Look at this backpack.
Alright, enjoy your meal.
Thank you.
Do you want the cookie or do you want the hard steak?
I'm gonna sit in the seat. This is cool. So in addition to the awesome salad that I already ate most of, I got the steak and shrimp, coconut shrimp. Huh? Here comes the thunderstorm. And Tony got the taste of the islands or something. So it's got tilapia, scallops, and shrimp, right?
I think
I'll tell you, I just tasted my veggies and they were really good. Haven't cut into my steak yet. Red mashed potatoes. I'm assuming that's some kind of dip for the coconut shrimp. Tony got the key lime pie. Look how nice that looks.
Okay.
He's like, okay. And I got the chocolate pudding cake. Bye, Animal Kingdom. We'll see you probably next year. Thank you. And that means we wrap up today's adventure. I am Mr. Shields, and that's Mr. Shields to you, Magic Disney style. Bye.